Hi everybody, Dave Maturo here with Sean at the Martial Way. We're working on technique of the week, ude garami. We're doing it from tighter quarters, so I don't like to be this close. We like my eye, we like distance. But in this case, we're having words, I got some obstruction behind me, I'm running out of space, and he decides to throw an uppercut. I'm gonna just basically, logically just block. I didn't have time, I didn't have the ability to parry. I counter grab, I'm gonna counter grab my other hand, turn, my elbow goes in his face, and I'm gonna bring ude garami down to the ground from here. I can lock up his arm, I can push his face away. This is very painful. We train this nice and slow because this really torques his arm and his elbow. One more time here. So we're gonna close. Height, see. Down he goes, back away. Visit us online at martiallakedojo.com or now me from New Jersey. Please like, share, and subscribe, and come on down.